In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M54 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. All you need to do is select an app you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen, launch it and open it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top of it, select Open in split screen view and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!